Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make milky brown sugar steamed bun. And I wish you all a good year of the ox. First, prepare a pan to heat up 250 grams of milk and melt the brown sugar. Stir frequently in a low temperature and let it cool to the room temperature. Put 450 grams of flour in a clean bowl. Add in the instant yeast. Pour in the milky mixture into the flour. Different brands of flour will have different water absorption. Add liquid or flour according to the situation. I have two ways to make the steamed bun. One is totally made by hands, and the other is made by the stand mixer. If you're using the natural way, then the tool is all your hands. If you're using the stand mixer, the tool is using a hook attachment. Smooth steamed buns lie on the kneading the dough, and there's a lot of kneadings on the left side. The dough in the stand mixer, it seems too moist, and I add in some flour and continue kneading it. By keep kneading the dough is a big bulk of the task of making soft, fluffy, and smooth steamed buns. If you have a stand mixer to knead the dough for you, don't you think that's really nice? Leave a small portion, around 100 grams of the dough, to make the calf buns. Cover with something to prevent the dough from drying out. Now we need to roll the dough into strip. The thinner, the better. Sprinkle with brown sugar on top. You can add some flour on top of the sugar to prevent the sugar from running off after steamed, but I didn't add the flour in. Roll it up. Tighten the dough when you're rolling it. The steamed bun is fermented all at once and has a chewy texture. When you finish rolling up, cut them in sections. Put the bun in the steamer and close the lid. Put the steamer on the pot. Turn on the fire for 1 minute and then turn off the heat. Allow the water temperature rise inside the pot. Let the steamed buns are fermented in the steamer for half an hour. 3 small dough pieces each weighing 15 grams. Knead into a smooth dough. Three small doughs string together with a stick, and remember leaving a certain gap between each two. I also use food coloring black for the eyes. Dark brown for the nose and ears. Mix it well, the color in the dough. Use water to stick on the nose. Poke 2 holes with a tool. Put the eyes on. Don't forget the horns. Tighten them with the tools. Then bend the horns a little bit. Finally, put the ears on. Tighten them with the tools. Those are the first cows designed. They look like pigs. Lightly press the steam bun with your hand and the stamp will rebound slowly and it will be fermented. Steam buns on high heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Don't move the steamer when the steam buns are ready. Wait at least 3 minutes. The freshly steamed buns are so soft. Look at the cows I just made. I wish you all the best in the year of the ox. 恭喜發財